Hi and welcome to another edition of Car Home Repairs. Right, quick update. The Corsa has all been straightened, that's coming back round. Sorry, the sun's in my eyes. The Corsa's coming back round, so we'll be cracking on with that. Meanwhile, we've got a T4 camper coming for brakes doing, a friend of mine. Brakes doing and a bit of rust sorting up what I'm doing. Right. Doing back brakes, disc and pads, and then we have a little bit of rust here to sort out. So I'll be sanding down that, taking you through the process of doing that. And that's that done. So we'll crack back on with this now. I'll get you set up. Yeah, a good friend of mine says, Darren, you need to do more talking on your videos. Talking through what you're doing and how you're doing it. Everyday salvage. If you haven't seen his channel, please go across, like, share, subscribe. Funny guy, top guy. He's helped me out a lot. Much appreciated, Jay. Big shout out to you, fella. Thank you very much. Don't be laughing at me talking now. Always go for safety first, man. Before you even start anything, you want to be safe. Possibly WD in there as well. Yeah, it just loosens it up a little bit. Right, 6mm for your right this. You get a long pair of, what do you call them, needle nose mole grips, because you can't get a spanner in there. The spanners are too wide. And just grip it, and that'll undo. That's that. That's that. That's that off. I'd say they've seen better days, wouldn't you? and just goosed. Yeah, that's that off. A bit of that soaking on there, so when you wind it back in, brilliant little tool, easy if you have an air compressor, worth every bit of money. There you go, straight back in. Bit of copper grease, do a bit of a clean, the old brake cleaner. Mind your fingers. A bit of Loctite on. Just use my fat head. That, my friends, is how you change back disc and pads on a T4 camper. T4. Right, that's one side done. No point in showing you the other side. It's exactly the same as this side. I hope this has been helpful for you. I'll do the other side and then I'll show you that bit of rust removal and spray. Right then, let's get rid of this bit of rust down here. So what we'll do first is we'll grind it off, hit it with a bit of Cure Rust, let that dry, then to a bit of primer, and then to a bit of spray. This spray is brilliant spray if you're doing a T4 or anything like that. It's called graffiti paint. Absolutely fantastic. Thing is with this is if you get a little scratch, you can just give it a light sand down, blast over it, and it just blends in nicely. Not like your other spray when you give it a bit of a spray and then you've got to lacquer it and all that crap. No, not with this stuff here. It's brilliant, as you'll see anyway. That's a bit of Cure Rust on. Wait until that goes off, tape it up, put a bit of primer on, wait until that goes off, and black it off. Job done.